composed by myself. The title of my song is Kadrin. Kadrin means kindness. Also, we Tibetan, His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama is very kind for us. So I dedicate this song to his 90th birthday. And also this year is official compassion year. So I deeply thank you to His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama, his kind love and care to everybody, all human beings. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, the Dhaar family, and we have a little something for you. Please.
Thank you so much.
A big round of applause for Mr. Kharag Penpa again. I would also like to take this moment while we are getting set for our next set with Ms. Gitan.